What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be installing some black kidney grills on my BMW E90. So first off, I'm going to be showing you guys the kidney grills that I got. They're just blacked out kidney grills for the E90, but I'm still going to show them. So this is the box they came in. So this is the actual kidney grill. As you can see, it's like jet black or gloss black, however you want to call it. And as you can see, the stock E90 grills are chrome and they're like matte black. Like the studs are matte black, but yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install them on your BMW. Basically, this applies for the E90, E91, E92, or E93. The only difference is this little thing right here. The E92 and the E93 don't have these things, so you will only have to remove this one's right here. All right, so first off, you're gonna want to pop your hood. All right, guys. So once you're in the engine bay, you're gonna be removing 4 of these T30 screws, Torx 30. You can remove this just to make it a little bit easier. And you're going to be removing 6 of these T25 screws on top. That's 3 right here and 3 on the other side. And these will come off. Alright guys, so once you remove the 4 T30 bolts on top, you're going to pull your bumper to the front a little bit like this. Don't worry, it's not going to break because these bumpers are flexible. That's what they're meant to do. And you're going to feel behind the grill. Like I think there's like 8 tabs. And all you need to do is push them up and push the grill to the front. Just like that. There's the grill. These are the tabs that you're going to remove. Just probably these little things right here. Just push them up, like all of them, and once you're done with all of them, you just got to pull the kidney grill out and you're done. Same thing applies to the other side kidney grill. There you go. Just like that. It's out. Same thing, all the tabs on here. There's 7 tabs, 3 on top, 2 on the sides, and 2 on the bottom. This is actually a perfect moment to clean all of this out because when the kidney grills are in, you can't really clean all this area right here. So yeah, let's do that real quick. Now to remove the ones from the top, you're going to be needing a T25. So yeah, let's do that. Once you remove the 6 bolts, all you need to do is pull it up and that's it. You got it out. So go to the other side and you're done. This is also a perfect moment to clean everything over here. As you can see, it's really dirty. You never clean this area because you can't get anything in there to clean it, so yeah. That's actually the cleanest I can get it. I don't know why, because this is like a stain on there. I don't know what that is, to be honest. Kind of looks like oil, but I don't really think that's oil. But yeah, it won't come out, so I'm gonna just leave it like that. Now you're gonna grab your new kidney grill and just put it on top like this. Now you're gonna grab your 3 T25 bolts and just put them on. Now onto the other side, same thing, just put it on right there. Now to put these in, it's a lot easier. They just clip in. Well, I hope they fit, because after what I saw from the top ones, I don't know what to think about these. But let's try them on and see what happens. Well, just like I suspected it, trash fitment. But they clipped in, which is good. I think so. Oh, there we go. Now for the other one, same thing. Fitment is trash, but oh well. It'll do for now. We're on a budget, so yeah, let's make it work. Yep, it's on there. I think so. I hope so. Well, that's it. Well, these ones were a little bit easier. Now we just gotta put the 4 T30 bolts back in, and that's it. Well, that's actually it. Now I just gotta put these rubber pieces back on, and we're done. There we go. That's it. The fitment is not the best, but it'll do. Now let's see how they turned out. Let me show you guys the fitment real quick. You can barely see it right there, but the fitment is not that great over here. Same goes for here. Same here. Same here. They're not. This one comes a little bit farther out than this one, but it's not that noticeable, to be honest. This thing right here broke. I'm not even gonna touch it because it's like barely under. But now let's actually see how they look. The video. If If you guys liked it, leave a big like down below. Comment what you thought about the black kidney grills. I think they actually look good. The only downside is the fitment, but I bought them for 30 bucks, so I can't expect that much, you know. So other than that, I'm really happy with how they look, to be honest. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.